Alright, so people today, the video here, we get island shipper, a well deserved big up. The whole crew, a well deserved one. People, the process smooth. Packages well angled and taken care of. The customer service, one of the best. I not like the customer service. And the need for try them people. Island shipper. Remember me tell you, nah go regret it. Plus the rates very affordable. Plus delivery available at your door. Anywhere in Jamaica you're there. People, you're not gonna regret it. Remember me telling you, just try island shipper next time you do a shipment. You're not gonna regret it. But as I said at the beginning, I get island shipper well deserved big up. Them deserve it, Big up on yourself, island shipper crew, the whole staff.